Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ZALMAN H2TG low cost middle tower PC case. So friends, ZALMAN has produced the H2TG, a low cost middle tower with a high airflow, and friends, ZALMAN has introduced two new versions of entry level middle tower PC case that place a strong emphasis on airflow, and friends, both have tempered glass on the side panels and shroud on the bottom to protect them on the and a shroud on the bottom to protect them from the elements. And friend, the H2TG is a middle tower PC case with front face has been slitted for ventilation. A cooling fan is equipped with 120 mm into 2 front and 120 mm into 1 rear as basic equipment, and the front can be enlarged to 120 mm into 3, a top 120 mm into 2, and the back 120 mm into 1, and the bottom 120 mm into 2. And friend, the rear can be increased to 120 mm into 3, and the top is 120 mm into 2, and the bottom is 120 mm into 2. And friend, the shadow base and friend, the corresponding form factor is ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX, and the thickness of the tempered glass is 4 mm. And friend, the Z1 Plus is a middle tower PC case with a mass panel front face that is made of aluminum. And friend, is basic and friend is basic and friend, as basic equipment, the cooling fan has 120 mm into 2 front and rear blades and may be enlarged to 120 mm into 3 front, and friend, 140 mm or 120 mm into 2 top, 120 mm into 1 rear and 120 mm into 2 bottom blades. And friend, it will be comes with total length of 365 mm, a CPU cooler with a total height of 163 mm and depth of 190 mm. And friend, there are also microphone and headphone ports as well as LED control button for use with the optional addressable RGB controller. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.